I'm not connected with my family like a broken phone. When hope is gone, I start to feeling like a slave when the rope is shown. But when I hang myself, when I grab the big 9 and bang myself, I get the picture like the one that's on my hanging shelf. Like if I fail, I only can blame myself. Yo, the fame and wealth, I'm scared of it. Like having money when nobody there to share it with. Man, the fear of it. Being taken to a desert, left in the fucking sand like a pyramid. Man, the stairs I get cause I shine like stars. They're in the beauty of a black man's nice bars. Taught to never give up, we gotta fight hard. The road to success is tight far, but we can make it through the bumps with the right car. When my grandpa passed, I hit the night bar and pour a liquor to the curve like the tight jar. Stand up, see reflections of a shining star. I'ma prove the world wrong and said I wouldn't go as far. I know it's hard, but I gotta make a way before my body rot and my soul fade away. Hell hot, so I'm looking for some shade today. Liquor poured for the bodies that the graves decay. Why is everybody praise on the words you say about the money that you made from flipping birds today? Huh? Alright, I'm done.